In this video, we look at Agiliron's Business Intelligence Module, or BI module as we call it. The Agiliron BI module allows your business to view all of your sales, order and inventory reporting from all your sales channels, including eBay and Amazon, in one centralized location. With the intuitive dashboard, you and the executive team can quickly see key performance indicators and get a pulse of your business. All reporting can be customized and exported, meaning you can manipulate and report on the data any way you see fit. Once the Business Intelligence module has been activated in your Agiliron account, you will see a link to the module on the left menu panel. Click here to begin. Here, you will see a panel that contains all the reports that have been created in the system, including standard and custom reports. First, we'll click on the Standard folder, where you will see a list of reports by module. Select one of the folders to view the standard reports that have been created for that module. From here, you can double-click on a report to view its contents. You can select the filter icon on each column to sort the report data and change the report filter to run the report for a specific date range. You can even search for a specific report using the search feature located here. Exporting your data reports can be useful if you wish to manipulate data outside the Agiliron system, in Excel for instance, or if you simply want to share PDF reports with other team members. Reports can be exported in familiar formats such as Excel, CSV, PDF, Word, along with others. You can export a report in the format of your choice by clicking on the Export icon. The Share icon allows you to share reports. Sharing can be done directly with other Agiliron users, via email as a link or an attachment, by embedding the report on a website, or you can simply create a link to reference later or share with others. The Broadcast icon allows you to schedule the report to run at various intervals determined by the user. For example, if you would like to send a weekly sales report to your management team, you can set the frequency in which your team should receive the report. You can also schedule an alert-based broadcast to only send the report when certain criteria are met, such as a customer reaching a certain order level or credit limit. The Favorites icon, seen here, allows you to save this report in your favorites list, so you can find it and run the report quickly. The Bookmarks icon allows you to bookmark the report or save a snapshot as is with the current filters and settings, so you can review the information later. The Details icon provides information about the report, such as usage statistics, report columns that are included in the report, and that can be easily exported if needed. Next, we'll detail how you can quickly create new reports with the easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. New reports can be created by clicking the plus icon. Select the icon and click on Report. Here you will see various views that correlate to the Agiliron modules. Let's click on Sales Orders to begin. On the next screen, you will see all the fields that are relevant to the sales order view in the left menu panel. You will see fields that are relevant to the sales order specifically, along with other fields that correlate with the order, such as customer account and product fields. We'll start with sales order information. From here, you can drag and drop fields to the Columns and Rows section to begin building the report. We'll add the order number, order total, created time, and the channel order ID. Now, we will select fields related to the customer by selecting Sales Orders Related Accounts information and adding the account name field. Now you can begin arranging the columns by dragging and dropping them into place to change how they are presented. The report can be further refined using the built-in formatting tools. Here, we'll select the drop-down next to Account Name, then select Format, Edit. On the next screen, you'll see the list of columns in the report and the available edits you can make to each one. Click on the formatting topics to expand the list of actions that can be completed. For this report, we'll select the Display topic. We will change the column header name and select the Suppress Duplicates button. This will group the account names into blocks to give it a cleaner look. Now we'll select the order total column and change the number format to dollars by adding a prefix to the number display. You can further customize the report by breaking the data into separate sections. In this example, we'll move customer account name to the sections field, then select Output. This will now display a separate section for each customer. From here, you can customize how the sections display by selecting any of the format icons on the top menu bar. For our example, we'll select the section formatting icon and change the section style to display each customer in a separate tab. Now we see a row of tabs that we can select for each customer. Once your data is formatted, you might find there are specific calculations you would like to see in the report. Calculations can easily be added using the Create Calculated Field icon at the bottom of the Report Fields list. Standard calculations, as well as certain scientific calculations, are available, such as case, when, else, and end, so you can create simple or complex formulas based on your business needs. In this example, we'll add the product order quantity and unit cost to the report. Then we'll calculate the cost of goods sold for the orders. Begin by naming the calculated field and selecting a formula type. The predefined option allows for the selection of a system-defined calculation that can be added to the report. Scroll down through the list to see the available options and add the appropriate formula. You can further refine the formula in the Values field. The Simple selection allows for manual entry of your formula, which we will select for this report. We want to multiply the quantity on the sales order by the unit cost. Begin by selecting a field in the list and add to the calculation. Then add the operator and the next field in the calculation. Click Save to finish. Now you'll see the calculation is available in the Fields list, and we can add it to our report. Now that we've viewed our data in tabular form, let's view our report in a chart format for a visual representation of the selected data. Click on the Charts link to begin. You will see the report columns on the left menu panel. Select the fields you want to review and add them to the horizontal and vertical axis. Now you have a visual representation of the report data. By default, the system selects the best chart type for you based on the data you have selected. You can customize the charts by selecting the Auto Chart button. Then click the Select Chart Type option for a list of available chart formats. Click on any of the charts to change the look. You can combine the tabular data with the chart data into one view by clicking on the Output link. You can also combine multiple charts together if you have more than one chart type you want to view. When you're happy with the report, you can save it here under the Report link. Name the report and add any searchable tags to make the report easy to find. You'll notice that you can control who views the report, so you can make it private if you don't want other users to view the information. There are also additional tabs, such as Distribution, which sets permissions for broadcasting and distributing the report. Report Settings, which allows you to determine where to display the report. And Refresh, which allows for the updating of data. If you change the permissions to Private, a User Access tab will appear. Here you can allow specific users access to the report. Make the desired selections and click Save to save the report. After you have created your reports, you can now create a customized dashboard to view the information that is most important to your business. Click on the plus icon and select Dashboard tab, Standard tab. Click on the folder icon and drag and drop the reports you want to see on the dashboard. You can also create multiple dashboards if you prefer, so you can view related sales reports in one dashboard while viewing product-related reports and charts in another. That concludes this demo of the Agiliron Business Intelligence module. There is still more we could show, but we wanted this video to be a summary of the major elements. If you're interested in learning more or have questions, you can schedule a call with your solutions expert. or click the free consultation button on the website to schedule a call. Thanks.